Hi, good morning. My name is Dominic Celestine, and I will be doing usability and need finding project for iTech 229. Basically, my device that I will be using is a handheld scanner device, Zebra LI4278 device, and this will be done in terms of the need finding project. I will be using one of my work colleagues, and he will be basically testing the device, seeing its functions. As well, he will be telling me in terms of his pros and cons on the device. The steps that will be taken is that he will take the device, which is the handheld device, placing it on the cradle, and taking the USB connection and using it on the USB port of any computer device. He will be aiming it on any object that has a barcode or a linear barcode, I should say a 1D barcode, and pressing the trigger. Once that trigger is released, it will beep. The green light will beep once, and LED green light will beep once, and it will decode and it will populate whatever the barcode is on the product. It could populate on a spreadsheet, or if you build a database, depending on what you could be using the device for, you can use it in that scenario. Hi, this is Jerome Joseph. This is my work colleague. He will be using the L1 Zebra handheld scanner device for the first time. Normally he works in a stock area, and normally he enters the barcodes, or I should say with the number, manually, but he'll be using this device for the first time. The steps, Jerome, that you'll be using is that you'll be connecting the USB cord to the laptop.
Like this?
Yes, right. So that beep says that the cradle, which is the base of the handheld device, is detected on the laptop.
Okay.
Right? What you do, you hold the actual scanner, yes, like that, and you will actually be scanning any device that has a barcode.
This has a barcode?
Yes. Right. What happens there?
Oh, so it's like it's putting it there without me having to write it.
Basically, yes, sir. So what happens is when you scan like that, yeah, right, and it beeps like that, what happens is that it populates like on a database. If you have a database at where you work, basically is this the function of it is that it will scan the item and it will populate on a spreadsheet or on a database at whatever it is that you may be using. So basically any object, that has a barcode on it, you can use this. The good thing about this is that you can go, I think the range of this, since it has a Bluetooth technology, you can go up to about 6 to 7 feet.
Okay.
So you can scan anything within this room right now that has one. You actually have to go towards the device itself. Yes. Yes, right. So what happens there, so you can just show that one more time in the video. Right.
Sensitive there.
Yeah. And what happens is that when you go up towards your device, your computer device,
all the fields there.
and all the field populates.
Oh, that was easy.
Yeah.
Imagine having to type out all these funny numbers and characters.
Yeah. Basically, that's what happens.
Yeah, I think this will help me a lot. It will.
So, what do you find in terms of the device? How you find the device? This is basically the scanner that you'll be using. I don't know if you want to recommend it to anybody, but what in terms of your worker field, and you do stock. Well, this part of your, I should say, your job description. But part of that in your job description. But you think about the device in terms of its comfort and its usability.
very, very, very user friendly. It's efficient. It's fast. It's
Yeah.
accurate.
Yeah.
Right. It's only recording what you scan.
Scan, yeah. So basically the format on the desktop, they might just need to change, but to me it seems a very efficient device.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's there you have it, and that will be basically something that you could recommend towards your.
I would definitely recommend that
Yeah.
we get a couple because we have a big team, you know, and
Mm-hmm.
we're kind of still in the way of recording things manually, you know, and still having to type a whole long spreadsheet. So this is good. Imagine if we get like 100 computers or 1,000 pens or something. You can just scan each of them very quickly, and get the serial numbers. Yeah, so that's good. Definitely recommend the Zebra scanner to anybody.
Okay, well, thank you very much for your time.
Okay, thank you a lot.
So there you have it. I interviewed one of my co-workers, and he very impressed with the actual device. The Zebra handheld basically it scans very fast, and it increases productivity in your workplace. And it scans, as you see, basically vertical and horizontal in terms of its whatever environment that you may be, and it have the position of the actual barcode. It will scan any direction or any position once it has a barcode and one-dimensional barcode. So there you have it, and thanks for your time. Hope in the future that this particular device will be very accommodating in your workplace. Thank you.